Welcome to the e-production of avtlibrary.com, where we offer e-library of e-audio, e-video, and e-text, an overview of religious and philosophical beliefs, spectrum of theology and atheism, theology, etymology, derived from the ancient Greek words theos, God, and logia, study. Description: theology explores the nature of the divine, religious beliefs, and the practice of religion. Revealed books of Abrahamic religions. Judaism. The Torah is believed to have been revealed to Moses. Christianity. The Bible comprises the Old and New Testaments. The New Testament is particularly significant because of its revelation to Jesus, known as the Gospel. Islam. The Quran is central to Islamic belief. Muslims also acknowledge previous scriptures, including the Torah, to Moses, the Psalms, to David, and the Gospel, to Jesus. Fundamental differences among the Abrahamic religions. Judaism centers on the covenant between God and the Israelites. Rejects the divinity and prophethood of Jesus and Muhammad. Christianity recognizes Jesus Christ's divinity and role as humanity's savior, while not acknowledging Muhammad as a prophet. Islam reveres Muhammad as the final prophet and considers the Quran as the ultimate revelation. Recognizes Moses and Jesus as prophets, but not as divine beings. Atheism. Atheism generally refers to a lack of belief in God or gods, and encompasses a spectrum of non-belief, including strong, weak, and agnostic atheism. Strong atheism. Assertively denies the existence of any deities or God. Weak atheism. Lacks belief in deities or God, but does not actively deny their existence. Agnostic atheism. Lacks belief in deities or God, and remains uncertain about their existence. Apatheism displays indifference toward the existence or non-existence of deities or God. From the above, it's evident that perspectives on the universe vary widely. While some view the universe as self-creating, as in theories like the Big Bang, others see it as a creation overseen by a divine entity. This difference is at the heart of debates between atheists and theists. Those who perceive the universe as created are often more inclined to believe in a single God, monotheists, or multiple gods, polytheists, as the creative forces. In the case of monotheists, they argue that this divine entity communicates through revelations. The latest, which they believe to be the final, has already been given. Mythology. Etymology. The term mythology comes from the Greek mythos, story or tale, and logia, study. Description: mythology consists of myths, legends, and tales that cultures believe or once believed to be true. Euhemerism suggests many myths are rooted in historical truths that have been exaggerated or altered. The seekers of hidden truths. Gnosticism, Mysticism, and Sophism. Etymology of Gnosticism, derived from the ancient Greek word gnosis, meaning knowledge. Gnosticism emphasizes esoteric knowledge for salvation, often portraying the material world as corrupt. Mysticism exists across religious boundaries and often involves a deeply personal, direct experience with the divine, which can't be affirmed by others. Examples include Kabbalah in Judaism, sainthood in Christianity, and Sufism in Islam. Sophism originated in ancient Greece as a form of education, although it has been criticized for its potentially deceptive reasoning. In comparison to the esoteric beliefs or secret knowledge of Gnostics, mystics, and sophists, Abrahamic religions emphasize revealed knowledge, accessible to all who engage with their scriptures. Agnosticism, etymology, comes from the ancient Greek without, and gnosis, knowledge. Description: agnosticism posits that the existence or non-existence of God or gods is unknown or unknowable. Whether one is atheistic, polytheistic, or monotheistic, the origin and nature of the universe remain points of common contemplation. This shared quest for understanding transcends individual beliefs, uniting humanity in its collective pursuit of knowledge and meaning. This is an e-production of avtlibrary.com, where our e-library brings you a rich collection of e-audio, e-video, and e-text. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.